Alright, this is the '08 Sonata, the location of the oil pressure switch. You can see the oil filters right there. Between that and the AC compressor is where I'm looking. And you can see the wire right there, hopefully. But yeah, so that's it. I had to remove a bracket that goes to the intake and then the block. So I'll show you that. Okay. So that's the bracket. There's 4 12s on that. So it's not too bad to remove. So when you're putting it back on, just get them all loose in there. So get them threaded in and then just tighten them up. Alright, so when you're tightening the bolts for the bracket, just snug them on. You don't have to torque them too much because they go into the the block. Yeah, and then the plastic intake, you gotta be careful. Just don't torque them down too much. So yeah, and then as far as the bolt or the switch, the sensor, I don't know what size it is. So when you get a new one, just if you're at the store or wherever, you might just have to pick up a socket, or if you order online. And my sockets are too small and the other ones are too big. You might be able to get in there with a wrench, but anyway, yeah, so it's the '08 Sonata 2.4, the location of the oil pressure switch. So I hope this helped you out. Take care.